Well, hi everyone, this is Dr. Geo with this week's video introduction to week number 5 of our course in nursing theory and concepts of professional nursing. And we really had kind of a week off of discussion this week. Your primary task in week number 4 was to do your concept analysis or your concept analysis paper. I haven't checked, but they should all be submitted. If you've had trouble getting that submitted, go ahead and let me know. I've been in contact with a couple of you via email for for a variety of different issues, so I hope that I'm getting all of your answers met. Week number 5, we are now at the halfway point, and so starting this week, we are kind of on the downhill slide here. We have a discussion question this week, which is really focusing on, it's a fairly broad question and a fairly simple question, and the discussion is social obligation. And the concept here is that, again, going back to this definition of nursing, if you remember back into our discussions in week number 1 and number 2, nursing is an altruistic profession, meaning that we are nurses all the time. You know, nursing isn't something that we just come in, when we clock in, we're a nurse, when we clock out, we're no longer a nurse. The concept of being a true professional discipline means that we're really doing nursing all the time. It's part of who we are. And so the discussion question this week is just, where are you at in your professional development? Where are you at as far as your identity development? How do you see yourself as a nurse? Any accomplishments, concerns? This is a good time to talk about what what your personal goals are. How do you see your practice changing? How do you see yourself giving back to the community at large? This is a big part of what nursing is really all about. Many of our nurse leaders, going all the way back to Florence Nightingale, were true movers and shakers in the world of nursing. And so we've had a lot of nursing role models through the years who have taken the lead and really helped to increase the concept or increase the visibility of nursing as a true profession. And that's really what this week's discussion is all about. I should have your concept papers graded by, I would imagine, Thursday, definitely by Friday. Takes me a little while to grade those, so bear with me. I usually do about 4 to 5 papers a day, and I'm going to be starting those tomorrow. I'm recording this on Monday evening. Hopefully I'll be able to get this video uploaded. I had some problems uploading videos last week, and I hope I don't run into the same issues this week as well. So I look forward to reviewing your papers and giving you feedback. I look forward to participating along in the discussions with you this week. Also due this week, of course, is your reflective journal, so please review that. And well, you pretty much know what to do with the journals by now. I've been giving you feedback on those. So the discussions have been excellent. You've all really engaged into some excellent discussion up through these past several weeks. I look forward to participating with you once again in class. Last night was the Super Bowl. For all of you New England fans, congratulations. I don't really count myself in that camp necessarily, but I got to tell you, that was a good game. For those of you that aren't football fans, well, tolerate those that are. It really was an exciting and a really good game to watch. And so I imagine that most of you probably had focused on that game as well. So anyway, enough chit chat. Let's get back to work. I look forward to seeing you in class, and I will see you in the discussion forums.